Alright, so you just installed Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Everything looks clean, smooth, and then brightness controller missing. You try to adjust brightness on your external monitor and nothing happens. But don't worry. Today we are fixing that using something called DDC/CI, which may or may not work depending on your monitor. And yes, the uncertainty is a part of the frustration. However, let's see if it is work on our external monitor. So first, open terminal. Type sudo space apt space install space ddcutil and press enter. Now enter your password and press enter and wait. After that, run ddcutil space detect and press enter. Now watch the output carefully. If your monitor shows up with details like model name, I2C bus, etc., congrats, you are lucky. If nothing shows up, that's mean your monitor either does not support DDCCI or it's disabled in monitor settings. Yes, some monitors comes with this feature turned off. Alright, if detection is worked, let's control brightness. Type ddcutil space set VCP space 10 space 50. That sets the brightness to 50%. You should see your monitor brightness change instantly. If it does not, try running it again with sudo. In some cases, this command may require elevated privilege due to system permission restrictions. If you don't want to execute this command every time, a graphical user interface provides a much more convenient solution. But it's important to note that results may vary, and the interface may not always provide accurate and consistent control. However, now let's see how to install a GUI interface. Type sudo space apt space install space ddcui and press enter. Once installed, open it from the application menu. Now go to View and select Feature. Here you will see several advanced options along with brightness and contrast slider. I strongly recommend using only brightness slider and avoid other settings as incorrect changes may affect your monitor's behavior. Simply adjust the slider to your preferred level. And that's it. No terminal, no remembering commands, and no suffering. So yeah, that's how you can control external monitor brightness using DDC/CI on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. If it worked for you, fine. If it did not, you are not alone. Drop a comment with your monitor model. Maybe we can figure it out together. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.